Welcome to 1244 Winterset Drive in Clarksville, Tennessee. As you can see right when you walk in, you have a great big room currently being used as a formal dining area. You have your guest bath, great little linen closet, and even the space as you walk in, you can have a little muck area or welcome table. As you proceed towards the back, you have a great big living room, and the yard is even bigger. It's amazing. Right back here you have a nice kitchen with a island back there, a pantry, access to the garage, and another great area here that could be used for a secondary or little breakfast table. Up the stairs we will find all the bedrooms. Let's check it out. Straight ahead is your laundry, so you don't gotta cart it up and down. You've got a double sink bathroom here, shower, commode. There's your first bedroom, second bedroom. This is not the primary, but it is rather large. Another linen closet, third bedroom. This is a little bigger than some of your bedrooms. And then at the end of the hallway you have your great big primary bedroom. So two big bedrooms, two pretty normal size, then separate shower, tub, great big walk-in closet, and double sinks. Come check it out.